People are learning to align with a current larger than thought. Not something distant or separate, but a unity already known. Awareness opens to connection, where nothing stands alone. Every idea, action and outcome moves within the same tone. Understanding grows through alignment, through learning how thinking works. Simple principles shape direction and refine what effort converts. When thought follows natural order, conditions begin to shift. Clarity multiplies results as awareness lives. Unity changes perception, effort becomes more precise. Results grow through understanding, not by force or control. Alignment with a greater pattern multiplies what unfolds. When thinking follows principle, life responds in kind. Conditions change through clarity, and outcomes expand in time.